Hey everyone, it's Thursday, November 13th, 2025. Thanks for tuning in to this special in-depth episode. Today we're focusing on one story out of Los Angeles that deserves our full attention because it raises serious questions about fairness, due process, and how immigration enforcement intersects with everyday life for millions of people. Here's what we know. In September, Barbara Gomes Marques May, a Brazilian woman with no criminal record, walked into what she believed was a routine green card appointment. She brought documents that showed her U.S. citizen husband had filed an approved petition and that she had a clear path to permanent residency. According to her attorney, agents questioned her about where she was born, the language she speaks at home, and her work history. Despite the paperwork she presented, she was placed in custody. She says she spent hours on buses and in holding rooms, transferred across several states before she could even reach her husband. In her words, she was taken because she is Hispanic. ICE did not respond to questions about her case by deadline. Advocacy groups and policy analysts say Barbara's experience echoes a broader pattern that has intensified since early this year. Their new figures point to a surge in Latino arrests and detentions, including people with pending applications and those attending government appointments. That raises two concerns. First, whether appearance or language is being treated as a proxy for unlawful status, which federal policy forbids. Second, whether people with evidence of lawful presence are being detained, while agents conduct checks that could be done without custody. If you or someone you love has an immigration interview or check-in coming up, here are practical steps. Bring originals and clear copies of key documents, including approval notices and proof of lawful presence. If you have an attorney, make sure a signed representation form is on file and carry your attorney's card. Have an emergency plan with a contact who knows your full legal name and alien number. If questioned, you must identify yourself, but you have the right to remain silent beyond basic information and to ask to speak with your lawyer. Do not sign anything you do not understand. You can politely request a supervisor and ask for a receipt for any documents taken. Afterward, your attorney may consider filing complaints with the Civil Rights Office at the Department of Homeland Security or seeking court review if detention appears unlawful. We will keep watching what happens next in Barbara's case and whether agencies provide clearer guidance to prevent wrongful detentions. For now, the key takeaway is this: documents matter, preparation matters, and respectful insistence on your rights can make a real difference in a stressful moment. For more resources and updates, visit visaverge.com.